pinpoint weather alert, a flood watch in effect for tomorrow because of the rain.
Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca is here now with the details. Hey, Tony.
Hi, that's one way to clear out the pollen, but unfortunately it's too much rain, and that's what we've seen really. I mean, the better part of this winter, the front part of March was extremely wet, and then here we go again with another system. This is all centered on Saturday. Sunday's the dry day, and right now obviously it's quiet, so no weather issues. Chilly, not quite as windy as what we had yesterday. Looking at Providence and the Providence River, take a look at down at Narragansett Town Beach. A little cold, a little breezy, not as many people walking the beach, but it is dry along the shoreline with a mix of both clouds and some sunshine. You can still see that breeze in Providence while it's not as windy. It's still kicking up a little bit, but the air is extremely dry. If you have dry skin, chapped lips, you can blame it on the humidity. And because the air is so dry, we don't have any rain tonight, but certainly towards daybreak tomorrow, the first raindrops will start. Temperatures now in the upper 30s to lower 40s. It should be closer to 50 this time of year, so running below average. Our threat tracker is low for tonight. Your Friday night plans look fine weather-wise. Sunday looking okay. It's in between here on Saturday, and we've been highlighting this now the last several days with widespread rain, heavy at times. It looks as though the heaviest of the rain would be during the afternoon, the evening, and early Saturday night. 1.5 to 3 inches of rain, and the potential for urban poor drainage, street flooding. And we'll watch rivers and streams. Right now, the smaller rivers and streams, the potential is there for minor to moderate flooding and not major. But I mean, forecasting river levels is not easy, but that's the outlook right now. So if you live along a flood-prone river, especially some of the smaller ones, for instance, the Patuxent, forecast to go to minor to borderline moderate flood stage by Sunday, even though Sunday is a dry day. So it's quiet across southern New England. You can see the moisture off to our south and west, and you can see the developing storm and that moisture arriving tomorrow morning, initially light. Now the red L is the intensifying area of low pressure off the mid-Atlantic coastline. As we get towards Saturday afternoon, and especially early Saturday evening, Saturday night, all of this red indicating very heavy downpours and some gusty wind, but a very progressive system. Look, it's way offshore and moving away on Sunday. So note, Sunday morning, we start with a shield of clouds. You see the clearing to our west, and then some sunshine developing during the afternoon. The one place where it may be hard to get rid of the clouds on Sunday would be out towards southeastern Mass and the Cape. But bottom line, Sunday is your dry day, and that dry weather will continue into Monday as well. Once again, we've been highlighting this big-time snow for the mountains of northern New England with this storm system, but for us, it is all rain, and that rain is heavy at times. It may be on the order of 1 to 3 inches of rain, actually 1.5 to 3 inches of rain when all is said and done with this system coming up by Saturday evening, Saturday night. So initially, the rain is light on Saturday morning, but picking up in intensity. It becomes steadier and a bit heavier during the afternoon, and especially Saturday evening and on into Saturday night. All right, 7-day forecast. Breezy, dry, cooler weather for Sunday. Morning clouds, some afternoon sun, and that cool, breezy, dry weather continuing into early next week as well.
Thanks, Tony. And the latest